Hey, I hope you're having a great day. What I want to go over real quick is if your customers are not getting emails or it seems like stuff's not going through, it's probably because you don't have your company set up. So, very simply, be able to go right in here, click on your company. If this information is not in here. As you can see, I have everything. It doesn't have the ability to send that email because it's coming from BuilderComs, but it's coming as contractor ABC is set up your new project. So if you don't set up your company, it can't send that email to any of your new customers, and it just gets stuck in a loop there where you don't have them receiving any of the information because they can't create their account because you haven't completed your setup. So make sure, once again, from the home screen here, you can go right over here. You can see I have my picture there. It probably just has a blank for you. You have my profile, company, users, subscription, log out up here. Go into company and make sure that you have completed the setup, everything that's required, company name, the introduction, your address, any specific service, add that logo in there, phone number, because this also goes into that directory where customers can find you on our mobile app. Make sure you set up your customer profile. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to us, buildercoms.com. You can message us on there as well as team@buildercoms.com. Thank you.